Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Today I'll be making some Escovitch fish. These are my bell peppers, salt, the whole bay. I have some black pepper in here, whole bay, season some salt. And I have my Scotch bonnet pepper, onion. And I have my fish here guys that I'm washing, so lemon and vinegar. Okay? And also have my vinegar for my Escovitch sauce too. Okay, so guys, even though when you bought these fish they scale them, you still gotta clean them up some more, you know. You still have a little fine scale on it. So you see, that's what I'm talking about. Still have, look, still have a little fine scale on it, so to clean it up. Okay guys, I'm just going to be doing the rest off camera and then I'll come back. Guys, I'm here making up my bell peppers for my Escovitch fish. I have some red in here, yellow and green, some onion. Them like this size guys. If you want them a little thinner, I like them a little thickish. That's how I like them. Okay, and don't practice to do this cutting your hands. They will cut yourself. Okay, I'm gonna put all of them here. I'm going to roll it. Julienne some carrot now. You just cut it on this angle guys, so you get them to, I'll show you. Alright guys, so this is it. Cut them in strips, fine strips. Okay? My sister said cut them like I'm doing hard, but I'm kind of running late to go somewhere. You know, tomorrow is Good Friday, so I want some fish. You know, when I come back, I just won't have the same energy to do it. So I'm doing it now before I go on the road. That's it guys, like that. That's how you cut them. So I just want to show you that on camera. Okay guys, I have some lovely snapper here. See how pretty they are? So I'm just going to make some cuts in it to get the seasoning. Get into the course. Guys, be careful. See that? You can slip and cut your finger too. So you always have to be very careful when you're handling my kitchen utensils that can cut and cause harm, right? So I already did that one. Okay, so we're doing this one. Okay, so that's it guys. Feel like it needs to be hot dry some more. And I also have my oil eaten up, so I'm just going to season these bad boys here. Okay, with some black pepper, like I said. Space is so small guys. Okay, so we have some black pepper in here guys, some salt and some Old Bay. Alright, and a little fish seasoning as well. That's all I have in here. I don't like to really overpower. Oh, this one wants to cut. I don't like to overpower fish with a lot of seasoning. I like fish to have its natural. You can taste that fish taste, you know? You don't want just seasoning. Even though I like seasoning my meat, there's some meat you don't want to overpower with seasoning. And fish is one of them. That's for me anyways. You can do what you like. Guys, I'm pressed for time, so I am not even going to let these marinate or dumping. I'm just going to go straight ahead and fry them. I'm always pressed for time. Alright. So you just get the seasoning in like this. Okay. So that's it. That's it, guys. Wash my hands. Whenever you finish adding meat or anything, make sure you wash your hands and clean up your surface in here that you handle the meat, because you don't want to contaminate it. Take a garlic in the oil just to flavor it a little. I like to do that. I sometimes put pepper in the oil if I'm deep frying as well too, but I don't put any in this one because I'm doing an escovitch. It's going to be already spicy with all of this goodness. Okay, so I don't need to put any in here because it's not everybody likes spice like that. I have the tolerance for it. Okay, the sauce for the fish. You don't want that, so be careful, guys. That's why they always say if you can't take the heat, to get out of the kitchen, boy. Okay, so okay. Need some tomato, guys. My oil is very hot, so guys, when you're putting things into hot oil, be careful. You don't want to just drop it. You're going to take your time like this, because that will kill and burn you. Okay? I'm doing it like that. I'm doing another piece. I'm going to put this one. Okay. So there it goes, guys. Sauce is cooking up. They're smelling good already. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to it, guys, just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon. I'm also adding cumin, just a teaspoon of sugar. Less than a teaspoon, because I didn't put it. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. Okay? Right. Man. Can you have can you have in the coffee, guys? The pepper. Woo. See that? Maybe this pot is too deep. Yes, guys. Man. Woo. Guys, you know, nicely. Okay. And the reason why I put the sugar inside of this sauce, guys, just to balance out the vinegar a little, the acidity. So you know, vinegar is very acidic, so that's the reason for adding the sugar, for me anyways. If you don't want it, you don't have to do it. So this is how I make my Escovitch sauce. Okay? If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, this is finished. This is done. This. Okay? How we're not looking for it to get too soft and saggy. Okay? I want it to maintain some crunchiness. Okay. Guys, I just like my scented candle. My scented candles are here burning, guys, because I just want to get rid of some of the fish smell. You know it goes. Fish leaves those in fried fish smell, so it kind of lingers on a little. So I always use the scented candle whenever I get as much ventilation for this window, you know what I mean? So guys, there's the fish frying up nicely. Love the snappers here. Yeah. I like when mine nicely brown, not to be dried out or anything, but I like it in a nice texture. Okay guys, these are fried, so I'm going to take these out now. These are big fish, so you have to fry them properly. So guys, I'm finished here. I'm just going to plate these for you. The last sets are frying, and that's it. So, like I said, I'm rushed for time, so I gotta go. Okay. Smells so good in here, guys. That's it. That's the finished product, guys. I hope you're seeing it properly. That's it. So I am finished with it. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you like my Escovitch fish. They're so snapper fish, guys. Looks so beautiful. It smells so good.